and then it's just a 30-minute train ride to Berlin. We're actually going to be building a train station where you can literally just, ironically for a car company, it's like, take the train, But, you can also take a car, that's fine too. We're aiming to start production in a few months, basically November or December, in terms of, and hopefully deliver our first cars in December. But startup production is kind of the easy part. The hard part is reaching volume production. From the point at which we start making cars, it will take longer to reach high volume production than it took to build the factory. It's really difficult. So we're expecting to have on the order of 12,000 jobs, maybe more. In fact, I'm a little worried we won't be able to hire enough people. So we really kind of need great talent to come here from all around Europe or anywhere and help us create the new future.